This video is sponsored by ActivePresenter, an all-in-one e-learning authoring tool that helps you create tutorial videos, educational games, presentations, and interactive lessons for teaching and training purposes. It's a powerful and professional software that works seamlessly on both Windows and Mac OS. If you want to support the channel, I will put the download link in the description. And remember to apply my special discount code when checking out to save your money.
Okay, I have no idea. Whenever I turn on my camera, there is always something with my face. Okay, I have a spot on my lips. By the way, it's okay. So if you are looking for a way to record your computer screen together with your webcam like this, there's a very simple solution for you. Okay, so today I will show you how to download and install a free screen recorder to help you record your computer screen together with your webcam, and it is totally free to use. No watermark, no time limit, stuff like that, and it is very powerful when it comes to creating tutorial video, e-learning content, and also software tutorial and simulation. By the way, with the free version, you can only record your computer screen and edit video and then export to MP4 without watermark. If you use some advanced options like zoom and pan and also chroma key and export to HTML file, the output will be watermark. Okay? And if you want to purchase the license of the software, don't forget to use my special discount coupon code in the description to save your money. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Okay, so the software I'm talking about is ActivePresenter. This is a free screen recorder, video editor, and e-learning authoring tools. You can try it on Windows and Mac OS, and it has a great free version where you can record your computer screen together with the webcam, totally free. Okay, so you can just go here to atomisystem.com. This is the homepage of the software, and you want to go to Product and ActivePresenter. And also you can see the pricing plan here. So they have free version, standard version, and pro version. And if you want to download the software, just click here at this download button and click ActivePresenter. So the current version is 9.2.1. And if you want to download all the version of the software, there will be some package right here. For Mac OS, you can select on this side. For Windows, you can select this download button. And I already have ActivePresenter on my computer, and now I will open it and show you how to record your computer screen together with webcam, and also show you some editing tools and export the video into MP4. Okay, so we can just close this window and open ActivePresenter on my computer. By the way, if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. My name is Jacky. I'm currently living in Hanoi, and I make software tutorial on this channel. And also I will make more video about YouTube tips and tricks, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the user interface of ActivePresenter, and the current version is version 9. And if you want to record your computer screen together with your webcam, you want to click here at the record screen as video. Do not click this button. This is the software simulation, so it is a little bit different. Okay, so just click this button to turn on the recording toolbar. And now this is the recording toolbar of ActivePresenter, and it is super easy to navigate. On the left side, you have the full screen button, and if you want to record an area on the screen, you can select this button, and it has an option to record opening application. By the way, we always go full screen, so just click here, full screen. And on the right side, you have a button to turn on your camera. So now we can turn on our camera. And next up, you need to click this drop down menu. Okay, and if you want to select a webcam on your computer, you can just click here at this button. And if you want to go with more setting of the webcam, you will go with this one for my setting. By the way, my webcam is okay. Okay, and the quality of the video is okay. But if you want to get the same video quality, maybe you need to equip with some light around your studio. And if you want to have a good audio like this, you want to buy a USB microphone and put it closer to your mouth, as close as possible. Okay, so it will generate good audio for your video. So next up, we have an option to turn on and off the microphone. So this is my microphone. I can select this one. This is a USB microphone. Okay, and we have a button here with the system sound. So we can select do not record system sound or record system sound. It's up to you. And now the setting is finished, and we can click this button, record button, to record our screen together with our webcam. Okay, so I will turn it on right now. And there will be a countdown, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now everything on my computer screen is recorded. And I can just open the web browser and say, okay, hello and welcome to another tutorial on Jacky Nguyen. If you want to download ActivePresenter, just go ahead to the link in the description, or you can just click this download button. Okay, so that is enough for my short tutorial. So now I will find ActivePresenter here at the notification area. To turn it off, okay, so this is ActivePresenter. We can select it and we can see the recording frame and drop frame and stuff like that, and also the audio, but we can click this button to stop it. Okay, just stop it. And now ActivePresenter, we open a new video editor, and it is also free to use. Okay, so it is free to use the video editor. This is my webcam, and the good thing about ActivePresenter is that they record the webcam separately. Okay, so it is separated from your screen recording. So that is the first thing we want to do with our webcam, is to just make it full screen. Sometimes I want to make it full screen like this. Okay, so I have a full screen webcam like this. I can use it for the intro or stuff like that. But if I want to just minimize the webcam and something like that, I want to crop it to a circle, to put it at the corner, I can do like this. So first up, I can split the video right here, and then I can right click at the webcam at the preview canvas, okay, and select crop to shape. So we have many shape here, circle. Okay, and next up we want to click here at the property panel and then adjust the crop size on left and right. So I will just reduce the left, increase the left, like this, and increase the right like this. Okay, so now I have a circle and I can just click here to move it to the corner. So we can do many things with the screen recording. By the way, this is enough for my tutorial, so I can just export the video. But if you want to add a mouse cursor, you can select the screen recording right here also, and go back to video, and then I can turn on the mouse cursor or the cursor highlight. It is the good point of ActivePresenter. I can make it circle, and I can increase the opacity of the color. And finally, we want to just export the video to final output without watermark or time limit, stuff like that. So we go with the export button here and click video, and then I can just click OK to leave it by default. And then I can just click OK to have the output. Okay, so now everything on my computer screen is recorded, and I can just open the web browser and say, okay, hello and welcome to another tutorial on Jacky Nguyen. If you want to download ActivePresenter, just go ahead to the link in the description, or you can just click this download button. Okay, so that is enough for my short tutorial. So now I will find ActivePresenter here at the notification area. Alright, so this is how you can record your computer screen together with your webcam using ActivePresenter, a free option for you. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. If you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.